Hello everyone. This channel is all about showing how I make money selling cash secured puts as well as covered calls, mostly on the leveraged products. Starting with the portfolio, I have a SOXL stock. Yesterday I didn't write any covered call on the stock because yesterday there was some news on NVDA and most of the semiconductor stocks were down, so SOXL didn't have good momentum. I thought it will get better today, but it got really worst. It is falling further, but it is still above my assigned price. My average price is $27. Since the stock is falling, the premiums are pretty decent on cash secured puts. If I go with again $27 is giving me 43 cents per share, but that is $43. This is definitely more than 1%, 1.5% or so. So this is not bad at all, but my eyes are all on MSTX. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell the stock here. I don't have a lot of buying power. I have only $6,200 of buying power. So if I want to write cash secured puts on MSTX, I can only go with a $60 strike price. That is giving me only 50 cents. This is literally nothing. So I'm going to sell these stock on SOXL. In my opinion, SOXL is pretty safe. Even though it is 3x leveraged, looking at all the momentum that's happening in last 3 to 4 months, it is looking pretty stable here. We can see here it's not like going super high or super low because it has multiple semiconductor stocks like NVDA, Broadcom, etc. In normal case, I wouldn't sell these stocks, but just because I am eyeing on MSTX, I really want to sell this at least for the time being. Alright, I'm selling all my shares at 2806, review, sell. Alright, the order got filled and now I have another $2,800. With that, I have $8,400 of buying power. Now let me go to, oh, by the way, yesterday when I sold a cash secured put on MSTX at $85, I collected only $850. Now if you look at the price, it is 1205 because of course this trade already became in the money. So with this, the premiums spiked up a little bit. In fact, these premiums spiked up yesterday itself, right after my trade. But that's fine. That is what the trading is. We cannot predict anything. Now going back to cash secured puts, I'm actually starting with this week. Let's see what are the premiums. If I look at $80 for this week, this is literally expiring in 3 days. If I go with $80, it is giving me 430, now 450, which is not bad at all. I'm just going to take a quick peek at next week, December 20. The $80 strike price is giving me 870. This is even better and looks a little bit safer. So I will go with this one. The bid range is pretty wide, 870 to 960. So I'll put 9 and see if it that executes. Alright, the order got placed as well as filled. Now I collected $900. So yesterday the 850 and today $900. That is a total 750. If I deduct the loss that occurred on Meta Iron Condor, I am still at 1250. So I reached my December goal. But I cannot claim that yet. This MSTX can go either way. It can definitely go under $80. Both this contract and my other contract may go in the money and that may incur some losses, but that's okay. We'll see. At least as of now, MSTX is giving good premiums on covered calls as well. So even if the stock get assigned at 85, I can easily write the covered calls at the same 85. And if looking at the current situation, it is giving me $1,000, so which is not bad. But even if I go a little further with capital appreciation as well as premiums, that is even better. I don't know how long these premiums will stay like this, but at least for now, they are pretty good. That is the reason I'm selling even the safest SOXL and going into MSTX. Because as I said in my introductory video, trend is my friend, so I'm just using the trend. Now I have $1,300 of buying power. All my favorite leverage products are pretty expensive. I cannot sell any cash secured puts, but I recently came across Another leveraged products on AMD alone, which is AMDL. This is another 2x leveraged product. As AMD is falling, this leveraged product is getting attractive, but it is very risky. If you look at the history, so it started at 25 and the only direction it is going is downwards. But from last couple of days or weeks, it is not going down drastically. It is kind of stable from August to today. It is kind of stable here. Of course, it is still falling because recently AMD is falling pretty badly. So I am eyeing on this leverage product. If you look at the premiums, by the way, it doesn't have weekly options yet. I don't know if there are any plans to introduce weekly options, but for now, there are no weekly options. But if I look at December 20, which is not too far, just 10 days. Oh, actually, it doesn't have any premiums for $8 and below. Looks like there is not much momentum on this leveraged product. With my current buying power, I thought I can do some trades. I'm not sure if I can go with a $9 strike price, basically going in the money contract, which is giving me $45. It doesn't look super attractive. I'll just leave this 1300 in the account and we'll see what happens. If I look at the overall growth of the portfolio, it is going up pretty nice. I started trading in this account from October 1st, and since October 1st, it is growing up steadily. Even though I hit one loss recently, it is doing okay. So, pretty good progress so far. Alright, that is all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.